What's up, my friends out there in YouTube land? So today I am taking the first ride with my new helmet. So let's roll that intro and we'll get into it. So today, I'm taking a ride with my new helmet, Biltwell Lane Splitter, custom painted. You guys that know, I did a video a couple weeks ago. I'll leave that up here, wherever, somewhere up here, it'll be. But I did a video a couple weeks ago about this Biltwell Lane Splitter that I won. I was a grand prize winner from that girl Go-Go on Instagram. So this is actually the first time I'm wearing it while riding. Now, I am not going to wear this to work. I'm only going to wear this on my non-commuting riding. Due to the fact that I throw my helmet in a locker, and with the custom paint on it and whatnot, I do not want to get that screwed up. So far I've put a center on here, my GoPro, obviously, all that shit set up, and I did the shield. I got a new face shield, and this came with a Gen 2 face shield, clear. But I went with the Gen 2 mirror. I think it looks pretty good. So I can feel, I don't know how this is going to sound. I guess I'll find out when I get home, when I check it later. But I do feel airflow through this helmet. Yeah, with this helmet. Now I had blocked 2 to 3 vents in the front here. Now it would be nice if Biltwell had the butt plugs like Ruroc did, or does, to be able to fit, because it's non-closable. So far it's comfortable. I have a size large. I might have been able to go down to a medium, but I'm not completely sure. But the large fits pretty well. It's not too awful bad. This is the first time I'm actually wearing it on the bike. So, like I said, I will give a more in-depth review on it. So, but yeah, I just wanted to show it off. You know, looks good, doesn't it? Looks good on me. Kind of sexy, isn't it? I don't know what, if any, you can see. You probably can't see shit about the paint job on the back, but alright, guys. Until next time, stay safe. Love one another.